A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal by William Wordsworth. 10 important things that you must know about the poem. Now, point number one is it's one of Wordsworth's Lucy poems. It's a poem from small collection of poems named Lucy Poems, where Lucy is a mysterious woman who symbolizes beauty, nature, love, and death. Number two, the title symbolizes spiritual unawareness. It suggests emotional numbness and dreamlike situation. Point number three, the poem is about death and acceptance. When slumber ends, he realizes Lucy's death, and soon he accepts her death as part of the natural cycle. Point number four, it shows the transition from illusion to reality. The first stanza talks about innocent illusion that Lucy was beyond time, whereas second stanza talks about the harsh reality that Lucy is now no more and part of the earth. Point number five, nature is a central theme. He says that Lucy has become one with nature. This Wordsworth's romantic philosophy reflects that humans and nature are inseparable. Point number six, the tone shifts from calm to quiet realization. First stanza presents a peaceful and dreamlike situation, whereas second stanza represents quiet realization and acceptance of life's natural order. Point number seven, the language is simple but powerful. Plain and simple language is used in the poem to express deep emotions, which is the trademark of lyrical ballads written in 1798. Point number eight, it has a compact structure, just two quatrains of 8 lines, short but deeply expressive. Rhyme scheme is of AB, AB, CD, CD, and meter it is iambic tetrameter in the poem. Point number nine, it reflects romantic ideals like emotion over intellect, the beauty of simplicity, unity between humans and nature, reflection on mortality and the sublime. Point number 10, it's both personal and universal. It starts with personal feelings but ends with talking about the universal theme of loss, love, and human connection to the natural world. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more.